don't know if you're able to see that, but it is 5:45 a.m. in the morning, and unfortunately I do have some bad news. I'm gonna have to delay Red Rain 2 for one more week. I tried to pull an all-nighter. There were some like animated parts that I really wasn't liking, and so I tried to pull an all-nighter, try to fix them and stuff, but it just hasn't been working out. So instead of like sort of rushing it and getting it out, I'd like to perfect it as much as I can, just because I've been working on it for a decent amount of time, and I don't want to just throw it out there, unfinished kind of. So yeah, unfortunately I'm gonna have to push it back to next week. But I did I was able to get a whole bunch of like scrapped ideas that I animated a while back, and so I put it together into one little video. So yeah, those are just some sort of like replacement thing, or whatever in the meantime while I try to get this fixed. But yeah, sorry about that, guys, and sorry James, I know I told you that I'd have it ready by today, but I just wasn't able to get it done. I underestimated the amount of time it was gonna take. So, but yeah, anyway, well, hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and hope you guys like the video.
Just give me a reason to keep my heart beating. Don't worry, it's safe right here.